Hello dear traders!
Welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News channel. I'm Marina Generalova.
And I'm Anna Kasatkina.
We are going to give you a combined review of the commodity and currency markets for the last week.
So what set the tone for trades on Forex last week?
Well, the greenback rose against the yen, however it sank versus the European single currency.
And what made investors sell off the safe haven currency?
While investors were anticipating the US labor market statistics, to be more precise, they were waiting for its influence on the Fed's monetary policy. The euro grew to $1.36.37 from its previous level of $1.35.88. Over the week, the euro strengthened by 1.1% versus its American rival. The US economy added 113,000 new jobs in January, even though it had been forecasted to generate 190,000. Meanwhile, the unemployment sank from 6.7 to 6.6%, even despite the number of Americans in labor force increased from 62.8% to 63%. Lane Newman, a director at ING Capital Markets, said this report would hardly make the Fed deviate from its current policy path. The ICE dollar index, a leading benchmark for the dollar value against the major currencies, dipped from 80.901 on Thursday to 80.726. The weekly loss of the index was 0.7%. The OC edged up 2.4% higher against the US dollar. Last week, the Reserve Bank of Australia indicated it might give up its accommodative stance soon. We will keep you updated on further Forex developments.
Thank you for the look into the previous week on Forex, Marina.
You're welcome, Anna. And what about the oil and gold behavior?
The oil futures were rising in price as well as the gold.
Were investors confused by the worse than expected US statistics?
They weren't at all. What's more, they took it optimistically, so the oil demand outlook is rather encouraging. The prices were also backed by the US stocks rally. On Friday, right before the New York Stock Exchange closing, the price of WTI crude oil broke the psychologically important level of $100 per barrel. The March Brent contract ticked up by 2.2% to $109.57 per barrel. The price of WTI futures for March delivery popped up by 2.1% to $99.88 a barrel. By the end of the week, Brent blend rose by 3% and WTI oil by 2.5%. As for the gold futures, the weekly gain was about 2%, for investors who were estimating the possible effects of the US non-farm employment change on the policy of the Federal Reserve. The gold value grew by more than $14 right after the publication. Later, however, it halved. The gold futures for April delivery advanced by 0.5% to $1,262.90 per troy ounce. The weekly gain was 1.9%.
Anna, thank you for the outline of the commodity market.
You're welcome, Marina.
This was a weekly review of the currency and commodity markets prepared to you by ИнстаФорекс.
And presented to you by me, Anna Kasatkina.
And me, Marina Generalova.
Have a great day.
And goodbye for now.